Which apt-get option gets a list of the current version of all installed software? We have a few different options. I'm going to rule out a few of the ones that look totally incorrect. So the apt-get option, it's a Linux command. You're not going to see it in the Windows environment, just in the Linux environments. So we need a list of the current version of all installed software, right? Current versions. So what do we do to do this? Well, let's remove, because that's just going to delete all install software. If we do apt-get delete, it's going to delete or remove all the software. We don't want that. So what else do we have? Well, install. It's the opposite of remove, but we don't want to install anything. We just want to get a list, right? So then we have upgrade and update. So which of these two is it? Well, if we upgrade, what we're going to do is upgrade all the installed software to the latest version. In this upgrade, we're not getting a list of the current versions, right? We're just going to be upgrading them. And so really that leaves us with the only right answer to be update. The apt-get update option gets a list of the current version of all installed software. That'll be the answer for this problem.